The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, shuts down the main office and 4 branches of Hikari Japanese Learning Center Corporation due to the illegal offering of overseas employment in Japan. The Learning Center is operating with its head office in Panabo City, Davao del Norte, and its 4 branches located in Manila City, Rosario, Cavite, and the cities of Davao and General Santos. Bian Manalo tells us more.
The Department of Migrant Workers closed the Hikari Japanese Learning Center Corporation in Malate, Manila. They allegedly offering illegal language training and job opportunities in Japan. DMW also closed the 3 branches of the said learning center in Mindanao and 1 in Calabarzon. Such action by the agency is in accordance with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to protect the welfare of the overseas Filipino workers.
We conducted surveillance and we were confirmed. It was confirmed by our operatives na they are in violation. So 5 po sila, sabay-sabay po nating pinasarado.
In the investigation, the learning center's modus was to encourage applicants to enroll first in their 4-month language training in lieu of 40,000 pesos as training fees. Contrary to the proper process of the DMW, that the selection process or the selection of the employer should first be performed on the applicants before they undergo any trainings. Some of the jobs offered are related to hotel and restaurant service, food processing, farming, food and beverage manufacturing, and caregiving.
At sasabihin nila na mag-aral kayo dito, magbayad kayo, kayo ay magte-training at kapag kayo ay nakapagtapos ng training, i-refer namin kayo sa isang agency na siyang magde-deploy sa inyo. Bawal po yun. Kasi yung training center are not supposed to hire and deploy at saka to enter into a tie-up relationship, more so to engage into any form of recruitment.
According to the victims, it seems they were left hanging by the illegal learning center.
Ano sabi sa inyo?
Bahala na po kami maghanap ng applyan po na kasi po once naman nakapasa naman na madali na lang po kami makahanap na apply. Tapos na makapasa po namin yung visa.
Kami na po bahala doon sa mga agency. Ang ano po talaga namin dito yung study po ng
The DMW advises those who want to work abroad to go to licensed recruitment agencies to avoid being a victim.
You go through a Philippine recruitment agency na license po ng DMW. Kayo po ay papa-interviewin sa employer kasi titingnan yung inyong skill set, di ba? Pag SWAC, na-select kayo, magti-training na ho kayo ng Japanese language. Wala ho kayong babayaran.
Victims are encouraged to contact the Migrant Workers Protection Bureau to formally file a case against the learning center. Bian Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.